Realme is launching the GT7 Pro flagship on November 4th, and we know the phone will have 3 cameras on a square island and HyperImage Plus branding. Now Realme shares GT7 Pro camera samples. The Realme GT7 Pro will be equipped with a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto camera with support 3x optical zoom, 6x lossless zoom, and 120x digital zoom, a 50-megapixel Sony IMX906 primary camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 32-megapixel front camera. It will be offered in Mars Exploration Edition, Star Trail Titanium, and Light Domain white color options. Other notable features of the Realme GT7 Pro include its custom-made Samsung OLED panel, a 6.78-inch micro-quad curved 8T LTPO Samsung Eco Superscript 2 OLED Plus display with 1.5K resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, and support for ultrasonic under-display fingerprint reader. The phone powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, with up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM, 1TB of UFS 4.0 storage. The handset is tipped to ship with Android 15-based Realme UI 6.0. This leaked video shows the Realme GT7 Pro can even handle large AAA games with impressive graphics and frame rates. The Realme GT7 Pro will be Realme's first phone to offer IP69 level dust and water resistance. The Realme GT7 Pro has a massive 6000 mAh battery with 120W fast charger. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.